Alright, now we're going to go through a demo of our game. We're using the HoloLens 2 streaming app in order to stream the headset directly to our computer for recording. This is our start scene. You'll see that we have an options and a start button here. The options menu will just lead you into a volume slider and you can change the volume of the game. This is our level select screen. So right now we're cycling through the units in the game. There are 4 units total: movement, jumping, looping, and conditionals. And then there are 4 levels each unit for a total of 16 levels. You're going to click this one and get in. This is a tutorial menu that pops up on the first level of each unit. Basically explains how to play our game. So the goal of the game is to get our little knight character from our yellow start block to the black end block. And so in order to do that, you have to sequence commands out of the toolkit, which will pop up in the editor menu. And then you can hit the play button on this hand menu here, and it will run the commands. And so now that the tutorial is over, these menus pop up, and you can see that we have 15 blocks remaining. That's just how many blocks the player can put down. And so this is one way of adding or of clicking buttons with MRTK. You can point and pinch your fingers. Just demonstrate that real quick. And we can see he's sequenced up 4 move forward blocks, which would bring the character to the end there. We're going to demonstrate the reset button. Basically just resets the editor. It'll reset the player's position as well. This is another way you can press buttons just by physically clicking them. The HoloLens 2's headset allows you to accurately track objects in real space. You can see we hit play there, and you can see the character animating and running across the map, and then we get a level success screen because we completed the level. Alright, now we're going to go through the first level of our second unit where we add the jump block. Jump block basically allows the character to jump over gaps in the map. We'll show that here. You can see there's holes in the maps there, so we would like to jump over those. You can see we've modified the toolkit for this second unit, and we will need 2 jumps to get to that end block. Show the animations off a little bit here as well. See, he jumps, and we complete the level. Alright, now we're going to go through our third unit, which is our looping unit. Essentially, anything that is placed into the editor will be run for the specified amount of times. In this example, it's 3 iterations, and we only have 1 block remaining and want to get over those gaps, so we'll choose to jump. See, that's put in there. There's only 1 command. We'll hit play, find that our character will repeat that action 3 times. We beat the level. So now we're going to go over our 4th unit, which is our conditionals unit. Essentially, we can check which block the character is standing on top of and do something based on that. We can create some pretty clever levels if we combine this with our previous unit. So the toolkit has been modified again to have the conditionals section, and it'll disappear until you finish filling out the conditional. So in this example, we're going to move forward if the current block is blue, otherwise we're going to move to the right. And this will run 5 times. We have the option to add another conditional again. Pops back up after you fill it out. So if we hit play, this will run 5 times. So the current block was not blue, and now it is blue. It's still blue. It's blue again, and now it's not blue, so we should go right again. We beat the level.